Garlic. Garlic is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It has been shown to boost the immune system, lower blood pressure, and improve heart health. Lime. Lime is a good source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps to protect the body against damage from free radicals. Lime juice can also help to boost the immune system and improve digestion. Ginger. Ginger is a natural remedy for nausea, vomiting, and motion sickness. It has also been shown to help relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and improve gut health. Here are some other potential benefits of garlic, lime, and ginger. 1. Weight loss. Garlic, lime, and ginger can all help to boost metabolism and promote weight loss. 2. Cold and flu prevention. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of garlic, lime, and ginger can help to protect against colds and flu. 3. Boosting the immune system. By boosting the immune system, garlic, lime, and ginger can help the body fight off infection. 4. Improving digestion. Garlic, lime, and ginger can all help improve digestion. These are just some of the many health benefits of garlic, lime, and ginger. By combining these powerful spices, you can create a drink or food that can provide a number of health benefits. You can consume garlic, lime, and ginger in a variety of ways. Here are a few ideas. 1. Add garlic, lime, and ginger to your favorite dishes. 2. Make a tea with garlic, lime, and ginger ingredients. 1 clove garlic, minced. 1/2 lime, juiced. 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled and grated. 1 cup water. Instructions. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Strain the drink and enjoy. Note: it is important to note that pregnant women and people with certain medical conditions should talk to their doctor before consuming garlic, lime, or ginger. Thank you for watching.